Hey viewers, and welcome to Wellbeing and Wellness. Do you have a partner who snores at night and you cannot sleep? Do you have a roommate who snores at night and you cannot sleep? Today I'm going to be giving you 5 lifestyles that could reduce snoring.
And we're also going to see some food and drinks that helps to reduce snoring. To snore is to breathe during sleep with a harsh snorting noises caused by the restriction of air, leading to vibration of the soft palate.
So the first lifestyle is getting a very comfortable position while sleeping. And this position is sleeping on one side. When you sleep on your back, it causes the tongue, the chin, and the fat around the neck to relax, thereby putting pressure on your airways, which will lead to snoring.
You can also elevate your head by raising your pillow to open your airways.
The second lifestyle is avoiding alcohol before going to bed, because alcohol relaxes the muscles in the throat and narrows the airways. The next lifestyle is smoking. Smoking irritates the lining of the throat, the lining of the nose, thereby causing catarrh and swelling, which could actually reduce the airways and narrows the airways. The next lifestyle is to lose weight. You need to burn that fat, because fat around the throat causes snoring at night.
Research has shown that people who do not engage in physical activities or are not physically active store fat in their throats, leading to snoring.
And finally, drink enough water. Drink enough water. The secretion in the nose becomes more thicker if you don't drink enough water. I'll drop a link below showing you how to drink water. Not just drinking water, but drinking water the right way. There are some food that could actually help to reduce snoring. Honey is one of them. Honey has some inflammatory properties that helps to clear the respiratory tract.
You can also put honey in your drink.
You can actually take olive oil, 2 to 3 spoons before going to bed, because it helps to clear the airway. So the next food is fish. Eat a lot of fish instead of red meat, because red meat contains saturated fats that cause swelling in the throat.
Eat fruits that contain vitamin C, like your oranges and pineapples.
And finally, turmeric. Turmeric is very, very good and important because it helps clear the airways and it helps to reduce snoring.
Now let's do some evaluation.
I want you to keep a record of your snoring. If you have a partner, you will tell your partner to help you keep track of your snoring, to know if there are changes. Watch what you eat on each night, watch how you sleep on each night, and note the changes in your snoring. I hope this video goes a long way to limit snoring.